Installation of fast consolidation room. Step 1. We will start the installation of the LCL room today. Firstly, we need to know what materials are needed. For long beams, for short beams, 5 top secondary beams, 9 low order beams. After preparation, we need to start the basic framework installation. The joint between the long and short beam can be fixed with screws. But it should be noted that screws do not need to be restrained. The screws at all 4 corners are the same. The reason for doing this is to facilitate later adjustment. After tightening the 4 corner screws, we need to start measuring whether the lengths of the two diagonals are consistent. Since our screws were not tightened just now, if the length is different, we can make slight adjustments. After measuring, tighten the screws. Next is our bottom secondary beam. Find the appropriate hole position and then screw it in. So the main framework is installed properly. Now we need to start the main installation. First, find the crane to lift the top up.